That's a census, not a person. Many brands begin by listening demographics, but when you speak to a category, you ignore the individual. AURELITHA thought its user was every woman, urban, wellness-driven, age 24 to 14. But in trying to be inclusive, it became invisible. We needed to ask, who really feels seen here? Look at this line. I don't want glow. I want grounding. There they are. That's who I built this for. I just didn't know how to say it. Real messages from real customers reveal something unexpected. This woman weren't just chasing glow or beauty. They were managing emotions, rituals, and invisible weight. They spoke of healing, not vanity. This wasn't about skincare. It was about self-recognition. And suddenly, they emerged. We found them the emotionally intelligent ritualist, the skin cycler who heals in silence, who doesn't want to look perfect, just present. AURELITHA dropped generic personas and listened deeply. Mood boards shifted from aspirational glamour to emotional grounding. A new muse appeared, a woman who retraced to restore, not to perform. This was skincare as a safe space, a tactile pose. Now every visual became a reflection of their rhythm. We kept trying to be safe, broad, inclusive, nice, but that didn't leave room for truth. Specificity doesn't shrink brands. It finally makes them visible. The founder had tried to keep the brand palatable, broad, soft, agreeable, but in doing so, they diluted its essence by impressing specificity. AURELITHA wasn't narrowing its reach. It was deepening its truth, because clarity isn't exclusion, it's connection.